Okay, so even though it is a cold, snowy day, this was in my mailbox today. And you know what time it is. It's time for me to break out with the garden journal, and I haven't done an update on this. I think I did a video and showed a spread from April, I guess. But let's just see what we did for 2023. Okay, so I hope this isn't a repeat, but anyway, this was ethnopharmacopoeia. Did I make that up? I don't know, but that's what I like. My 2023 goals were to grow lettuce, tomatoes, greens, lovage, lavender, peppermint, marigolds, radishes, mints. Okay, all of that. Make a potager, kitchen garden, clean off the back porch, and work on the spaces near the house. That first permaculture ring. Okay, and I made a note that spring in this area, I have heavy insect pressure. So, this was a little collage I made with some of my other goals. Did not make it to the Gullah Geechee Herbal Gathering this year, or last year rather. And I don't know that I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling this year. This is, I don't know. This is just going to be maybe a home year for me. I still want to go these places, learn, do, see. Okay. 2023 garden prep, deer netting, chicken wire. So some of this I did. Reskilling goals. This was a nice article here. The first sentence says, gardening is my Prozac. So, this was for my inspiration here. What did I do? Did I glue that all the way down? I guess I did. What did I do here? Okay, sometimes I have things that, yeah, I thought so. That seemed like something else was going on there. Okay. Seeds that I ordered in February from Strictly Medicinal. I still have some of these, I think. Did I order milkweed? Anyway, I have to do an inventory on my seeds here. And I've decided to concentrate on a few things. I got to update you on the lettuce liberation update. I went to a store and saw some cute craft ideas. Cute craft ideas here. These were empty frames that were like decorated at the bottom with different things. And this was an idea for using a glass tube. Then I started doing some research on seed starting. Trying to get ready for the full moon. Learning about the nutrients that need to be in the soil. This was my garden journal, the full moon reflections from the garden. I made this little pocket here and used this card as the basis for my notes. What I put in the ground, where I put them. Unfortunately, this bed did not do well. I don't know what happens. The weather. I think it was the weather. I can't remember now, but I think I might have planted these too early. This bed did not do good at all. Whee, that's okay. That's okay. So then, of course, we have the grandkids. They were over helping me sprout seeds here. This was such a great time. No matter what, it was a great time. These are all the things we planted here. And look at our tomatoes. The tomatoes did so well. They did so well that I ended up having to give away a lot of tomato plants. I just had too many. And these were some more. Oh, I still want to work on a wattle fence. Yeah, I'm going to have to keep some of these goals for this year. This was an event I held, which was beautiful. The first day on the land. It was a retreat day for women who do community work, activist work, healing work, just to relax and rest and enjoy ourselves. We had some forest bathing, we had yoga, we had food, we had fun. So here is where I fell off. I'll have to put in some updated footage about what happened with my garden, because some things did better than others. In other news, these garden beds are doing good. Look at it is, I mean, I've never had this booming with so much food and herbs. It's just amazing. I love it. I really love this setup, you know, so I'm gonna do this again next year for sure. The calendulas are blooming. I added some marigolds in there, which I later learned how to separate, because I could have separated that into quite a few. Gotta come out here and harvest and spray, because as you can see, they're having a field day eating up my kale, but I have so much in the house that I'm like, have a snack. Look at this, how pretty these colors are. Those marigolds, that purple basil, my pepper, which I don't even remember what kind of pepper it is, but it's bossy. I don't know if I'm supposed to harvest it now or I've forgotten what kind it is. Beautiful kale, lots of calendula, and a giant poke plant. This note here from July says I missed my garden, that I've been ripping and running so much, doing a lot of online work in the house, and that I just really wasn't outside a lot, and that the joy when I went out, I felt like the garden missed me too. And then I did a lot of traveling. So we'll see. That's where I ended up last year as far as my garden journal. And now it's time to do my 2024 plans. And I will get back with you on those plans. A lot of them are probably going to stay the same. But yeah, all right.